welcome back. Now, the third element on the right side menu is we can determine what reading level we want our document to communicate. If we click on reading level, what you'll notice is that we can keep the current reading level. We can pull the slider bar down to lower the reading level. We can raise the slider bar in order to raise the reading level. In this particular case, what we're going to do is we're going to bring the slider bar back to the middle. We're going to raise it slightly to the high school level, and we're then going to click enter. And then ChatGPT will then begin the process of changing the reading level of our document. What you'll notice is that there are two places for you to input. You'll notice that we can write something here, and basically we're writing in more information to the document. We can also come over to the right side menu and we can add in more instructions. And so we can add to our document even without the tools. We can then click enter, and then we can ask ChatGPT to undertake our process here inside of Canvas. And ChatGPT will undertake the editing process. So you can use the tools on the right side menu to change the reading level. You can also use your left side menu in the sidebar in order to make additions to the document in your Canvas panel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.